I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your WordPress site in maintenance mode. When you're making significant changes like updating themes, plugins, or redesigning your site, maintenance mode is crucial. It ensures your visitors see a professional message instead of a broken page. We'll cover two primary methods: using a convenient plugin for quick setup, or implementing a manual code solution for more control. Let's dive into keeping your site polished, even when it's under construction. The easiest way to enable maintenance mode is by using a plugin. Tools like SeedProd or WP Maintenance Mode are excellent choices, offering a user-friendly interface. Simply install and activate your preferred plugin from your WordPress dashboard. You can then customize your maintenance page with a personalized message, your brand's logo, and even a countdown timer. This method allows you to toggle maintenance mode on and off with just one click, making it incredibly convenient. If you prefer a more hands-on approach or need to avoid plugins, a manual method is available. You'll create a file named .maintenance in your WordPress root directory. Inside this file, add a small PHP code snippet, typically using the WP-die function, to display your custom message. This method gives you precise control over the maintenance page. Just remember to delete the .maintenance file when your site is ready to go live again. Before making your site inaccessible, always test your maintenance page to ensure it displays correctly. It's also a good practice to inform your audience about scheduled downtime, perhaps through social media or email, to manage their expectations. Crucially, always perform a full backup of your WordPress site before undertaking any significant updates or changes. Keep your maintenance message clear and concise, and aim for a reasonable duration to minimize disruption for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.